mistake of letting all of our pots get buried underneath a snowbank, so I get to dig those out today. Hope you enjoy! Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and it's been a while since I've been able to get regular videos out. It's basically a mad dash before winter gets here to get all the last gardening things done, as well as winterize the house and my rental property to be ready to go into the winter. So I'm hoping to start getting more regular videos out once frozen weather is here. But today I'm going to be getting a bunch of pots set up so that I'll have garden pots ready to go next spring, so I don't end up in the same situation I ended up this spring. Let's set up next spring's pots. See, this pile of pots I found at the dump. I'm going to get them filled with dirt for our dirt pile and then put them away in the greenhouse. Last night I got all these containers filled with dirt. I'm going to get them moved into the greenhouse where they can wait over winter and hopefully not get covered in snow and unable to be used. So I'll show you where I put them when they're moved. Grand reveal. Well, it's time for the grand reveal. Well, that should be enough seed starting trays to be ready for spring. Hopefully I can start working on the backlog of videos that I'm still trying to make. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.